Hi guys, my name's Raz, and today we'll be looking at how to draw a curved line. So I have two examples, let's get cracking. So we have this graph, y equals x squared minus 2x plus 1, and we're asked to draw it. So the first thing I'm going to say and show you is how to use the calculator properly. So you can see this should look like the calculator you have. My advice would be to use the table function. So if we scroll down, we'll get to table function, press equals. Now, fx equals means y equals x squared minus 2x plus 1. So we want to type in this graph. So we use the alpha to get the red x there above the bracket. So I've got alpha x squared minus 2x plus 1. I don't have a second function, so I press equals. So I don't have a second line to draw. So I want to start it from -5. I want to go up to 5, and I want it to go up in ones. So that's what the range is. And I get those values. So what that means is, let me just write up what we have. So it means that when x is -5 all the way up to 5. Let me just move this calculator down. And, that'll do. So all the way up to 5. So in an exam, you're often asked to copy and complete the table. So they'll give you some of the values. So you can see there that when x is -5, fx, i.e. y, is 36. When it's -4, we get 25. -3 is 16. Then 9. And I'm just going to scroll down the calculator to get the other values. So we've got 410. And then I've got 4 more values to get. 14916. So you can see I've just got those values from using the calculator. So I'll get that out of the way, and then we just plot the graph. So my y-axis has to go up to 36. This is not going to be the best graph, but it's better than nothing. 30, 40. And it goes between 1 and 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. And we don't have any y values that are below 0, so that doesn't matter. So we've got -5 goes to 36. -4 goes to 25. -3 goes to 16. -2 goes to 9. -1 goes to 4. 0 goes to 1. And then it's going to escalate back up. So 1 goes to 0. And 2 goes to 1, then it goes back up. 3 goes to 4. 4 goes to 9. And 5 will go to 16. So we can see there, if we connect the dots with a smooth curve, oh, that one's so smooth. We're going to get something that looks a bit like a horseshoe. Yeah, let me just replot that point because that was a bit dodgy. That'll be that. Yeah, and then that's it. That's all we have to do. So the point I'm saying is use your calculator and you can make sure you complete the table of values correctly. That'll be worth 2 marks. And drawing the curve is probably worth 3. Yeah, so it's easy marks. Let's just do one more. And I've changed the equation slightly. So I'll need to reset this. And this time I've got x cubed minus 2x plus 1. Same principles, alpha to get the x button. This time we're cubing it. Minus 2x. Minus 2x plus 1. And it's going to be the same as in we want it between we don't have second functions, we want it between minus 5 and 5, going up in ones. And there we go. So we have our values, which are going to be drawn in any second now. So let's see if that works. So we've got x, y, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 4, 5. So minus 5 gives us minus 114, then minus 55, then minus 20, minus 3. Two, 1, 0, 5, 22, 57, 116. So again, the same way we've got the results using the table function. Now we have to sketch it. Yeah, so this is not going to be the best graph, but 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40, minus 50, and maybe a minus 60, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So I won't be able to fit in the outside values, but I can fit in everything else. And then this will give us the curve. So we have the point minus 4, minus 55, which will be about there. Then we have minus 3, minus 20, which will be about there. Minus 2, minus 3, about here. Minus 1, minus 1 and 2, about there. 0 and 1, about here. 1 and 0, well, that'll be there. 2 and 5. 3 and 22. 4 and 57. So that's that. Draw it, smooth curve. Boom. So again, we'll get 2 marks for filling in the table, 3 marks for the curve, including accuracy of points, and then the smooth curve for the final mark. I hope that makes sense. The main point is use your calculator effectively so that you do not make mistakes plotting the values. And then drawing the graph should be straightforward. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon.